Hey Corky, Bill Davis here with Hines Realty Group. Hey, I've been doing a little bit of research on your property you told me about that you have the commercial property over on 3327 Cutting, and just wanted to do some more research before giving you exact figures. This kind of a property is a little more difficult to comp out as far as instead of just a regular single family. Just because there's not as many sales and they're all very different from each other, and just wanted to get a closer value range for you. But I just wanted to pull up the stats just so you could see exactly what it's showing on public records. 3,300 square foot, built in 65 on a 4,800 square foot lot. So looks like I was looking it up, and it looks like it used to be a ministry or a church or something like that. So it's a zone for retail. Let me show you real quick what's available right now in the area. So this is a website called LoopNet, and this has all the commercial real estate for sale, and these are all active. This one on Cutting right now, it's a lot for $240, but it's zoned residential retail. And just kind of wanted to show you real quick just the different properties that are for sale. This one's on 37th Street off of Barrett. So here's where yours is. This one's over here off of 37th and Barrett. This one's going for $450,000 right here, but it's only a 1,200 square foot lot, but same size, or 1,200 square foot building, but larger lot than yours. So you could just see that one for $450. You go down a little further. There's a few right here that are going. These ones aren't showing the price right now. There's the lot. Let me just go through what I was finding. There isn't really too many things available right now. There's one on San Pablo Avenue right now going for $600,000. Pretty similar square footage though as yours, on a busier street, a little better area, but this one's going for $600,000. Another lot. Here's a gas station going for sale. So let me show you real quick what has sold in the area, just so you could have an idea of what is actually sold. And these aren't 100%. I could still do a little more research to find out, once we get closer to the sale, we could really crunch numbers, and I could find out there's a lot of off-market deals that happen, and I have some connections that I could get a hold of to find out which ones have actually sold and go through the county records. But here's ones that are showing sold that I found right here. Here's one that just sold for $520,000 on Cutting. Here's another one that sold for $300,000. And then when you go on over on this street, $280 for this one, $375. So you could see that, some of the ranges, just to kind of give you an idea of what the activity level is as far as commercial real estate. And this one's going for $799. This one sold for $330. Let me just show you in details of what the square footages and things like that are. And I went actually 2 years back, so this is from 2 years of what I'm showing you. Go from the highest price to the lowest. So this one's going for like $151 per square foot. This is listed and it's already pending right now. And this one is actually industrial, light industrial, 5,200 square foot building, just so you could see that. This one right here, it used to be a church off of Cutting, not too far from yours, but the building square footage is 6,300, and this one just sold for $520 back in 2016 March. So that gives you a pretty good idea of what a church would go for with this size. It's almost twice the size of your property over there. Here's another one off 4th Street. It's actually for sale right now, or it's pending for $475. Looks like it's a probate. This one sold for $390. It's a 2,800 square foot building, but it's a lot further down. So I hope this kind of gives you an idea of what's going on in the area as far as commercial real estate. And once you get closer to wanting to sell this thing, we'll really crunch the numbers and sit down and just so I can show you exactly what this home is worth, and we'll go from there. So if you have any questions, just give me a call, 510-685-9178. Talk to you later.